Hey guys, just a real quick little clip to show you what I'm working on. Sorry about that glare from the light right there. I'm having to do this in my garage because of the hurricane. I've got a little couple spots on it that are got some kind of contaminant on it. You can see it right there. It's not allowing the epoxy to flow properly. But I'll fix that once this layer cures. I think it turned out pretty good. I like the way them blues and silvers all come together right there. That's pretty neat. I'll get down and see if I can get you guys some detail. Let me see if I can get down closer. It's not going to focus too good for me. Anyway, yeah, I just figured I'd give you a quick little clip to show you what I'm working on during the hurricane. And again, sorry about that glare from that light up there. Pain on my butt. But you do what you can with what you got. Anyway, if you like it, drop me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, God bless, and till the next one.